Hello and welcome to Dia's Funplay. It's me, Dia. How are you doing today? I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, let us learn the importance of water. Water is an extremely precious resource for life on Earth. Humans and other living organisms, that is, plants and animals, cannot live without water. Saving water helps to preserve our environment. Only 2% of the Earth's water is fresh and is locked in ice caps and glaciers, while 97.5% of the Earth's water is salt water. Therefore, saving water is of utmost importance for life on Earth. We should not waste water for a number of reasons: to reduce pollution and health hazards, save money on water and energy bills, prolong the life of the current freshwater supply for us and for the future generations. And there are lots of ways to save water. Check your plumbing connections in the entire house for leakage and fix them. Take shorter showers. Install water-saving shower heads or flow restrictors. Stop using your toilet as a trash bin. Do not dump waste garbage in the toilet and flush it with water. Turn off the water while brushing your teeth. Turn off the water while shaving. Use your automatic dishwasher and washing machines for full loads only. Don't let the tap water run while you clean your vegetables. Water your garden plants and lawn only when needed. Plant more drought-resistant trees and plants. Add a layer of mulch around trees and plants. Don't run the hose continuously while washing your car. Instruct your children to minimize playing with the garden hose and sprinklers as much as they can, and educate them about the importance of conserving water. Okay guys, I hope you learned about the importance of water. Have a good, awesome, great, and spectacular day. Thank you.
Thanks for watching DS Funplay. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Light up, subscribe right here, right now. Don't forget, press the bell icon. The choice is yours. DS Funplay.